I would be sharing the interview question and answers. I'm sure someone would surely benefit out of it. If you have any questions that you have prepared yourself, do share it across and we'll make a video out of that and post it along on the channel. We configure as well. Okay. Now let's do a restart. We see that the ADDS role was still installed. Now, let's log into it. Start off with the installation of the ADC. Okay, here we go. Click on the notification icon, click on promote this server to a domain controller. The domain that I need to select, either you can click on select, or if you know the credentials you can enter that over there. So it's ask an expert /admin. Next, where should it replicate the information from? PC1. Click on next. So replication is also a huge topic. There are certain command line tools that I would be showing you across the default paths. Click on next. If it's server is rebooted, partner to be machine 1. Okay, here this is for additional domain controllers. We can have n number of additional domain controllers, and this is for this video with this video. And in case you have any questions, do let me know.